Hi viewers, I am Biju Varghese, Mechanical Mechatronics with Additive Manufacturing Department from SNS College of Engineering. In this video, we are going to see about the basic concepts of 4D printing. 4D printing is a cutting edge technology that combines 3D printing with the additional dimensions of time that promises to revolutionize the way we design and create manufacture the products. This means the 4D printing objects can change their shape or function over time, making them highly adaptable and useful in a wide range of applications. Now, what is 4D printing and how it works? The fourth dimension in 4D printing refers to the ability of the printed object to change over time. 4D printing involves using specialized materials printed in a specific pattern that can respond to external stimuli such as temperature, moisture, or pressure and change their properties accordingly. For example, a 4D printed medical device could be designed to change shape in response to body temperature. Now, coming to the applications of 4D printing. 4D printing has the potential to revolutionize the manufacturing industry by creating self-assembling and self-repairing products. One of the most exciting applications of 4D printing is in the field of architecture. 4D printing could enable the architects to create structures that can change shape or function in response to environmental factors such as temperature, humidity, or wind. These structures could be designed to open or close ventilation systems or to change the shape of the building to improve energy efficiency. 4D printing also has the potential to revolutionize in the field of medicine. 4D printing could enable doctors to create medical devices that can change shape in response to patients' body temperature and release drugs or other medical compounds in response to specific triggers. Another exciting applications of 4D printing is in the field of robotics. 4D printing could enable engineers to create robots that can change shape or function in response to external stimuli. Despite the many potential benefits of 4D printing, there are still challenges that need to be overcome before it can be widely adopted. These include developing materials that can withstand the stresses of 4D printing. The next one is to ensure that 4D printed objects are stable and reliable. The last one is to create efficient and cost-effective ways to activate the materials. So, coming to the conclusion, 4D printing is a technology that has the potential to revolutionize the manufacturing industry. While there are still challenges that need to be overcome, ongoing research and development is bringing 4D printing closer to becoming a reality. Thanks for watching. We will see in the next video.